How to enter shipping address in Rednote. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is open the Rednote app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Then make sure to sign into your account. Now you want to tap on the shop icon over here. Scroll down and explore this page. If you find any item that you want to purchase, go ahead and tap on that. Now, you simply want to tap on the Add to Cart option over here. Once you tap on this, that item will be successfully added to your cart. Now, go ahead and open up your cart. After that, you want to click on the Checkout option. Now, on the checkout page, you will have the option to enter your shipping address. Over there, you will have to enter your details such as name, street address, city, state, postal code, and country. Then, click on the Save Address option. Now, select your payment method and complete the rest of the checkout process, and in this way you can enter shipping address in Rednote. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.